Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you, but more specifically tell you, how to find car keys in your house if you lost them. This will be a simplistic tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video will be the following. I will be specifically showing you, but more specifically telling you, because I'll be using my words, so I will be telling you specifically how to find car keys in your house if you lost them. A simplistic tutorial. One last time, just because I filmed a lot of videos today, the topic of this video is the following. I will be telling you specifically how to find car keys in your house, specifically if you lost them, and this will be a simple tutorial. Let's get into this. So I'm going to be going over 5 simple things to do if you lost your car keys in your house to hopefully find them. Now, the good thing is if you know you lost them in your house, it's good because you'll probably be able to find them rather quickly. So let's get into this. I'm going to go over the 5 things. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. The intro was long. The rest is going to be really, really quick, I promise. Number 1, look in the most common spot. If you have a spot where you hang your keys, you want to look in that spot. I'm not going to tell you what my spot is in my house because I don't want anyone getting any ideas to try and, come in and steal my keys, even though I don't even have, I have a Honda CR-V and a Honda Odyssey. But still, I don't want anyone getting any ideas. But there's going to be a spot where you keep your keys. Sometimes it's in a closet, sometimes it's hanging behind the door, sometimes it's, on a certain table. Like some people have like a key bowl where they just put their keys in. Look in that spot, okay? That's number 1. And you probably already did that, but I'm going to say it anyways. Number 2 is to look around that common spot. So wherever you usually hang your keys, look around it because maybe you dropped them somewhere nearby and they didn't land where you wanted them to land. Maybe someone knocked them out of the key bowl or knocked them off of the key ring. Maybe someone knocked them on the floor and then kicked them by accident. Look around that common spot. If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 3, which is to retrace your steps. Where do you know that you had your keys last, right? And you want to use that as a reference point and then figure where you are now and retrace your steps all throughout. Now, luckily for me, I have a pretty heavy-duty camera system, so whenever I've lost my keys, I've made sure that I've had them, because I have like, one of those keyless door entries that you can put in the code, right? I've made sure that I've, had them on my waist when I walked in the door. And if I can't find my keys, but I knew I had them on my waist when I walked in the door last, then I know they're in the house somewhere. So, retrace your steps as well as you can, and that'll hopefully help you find your keys somewhere along the way. And obviously in the more common places, you want to look quickly, but then once you've exhausted those common locations, you want to look, like in drawers, in cabinets, in underneath tables, underneath the couch, in the couch cushions, places that are not so typical where they might be hiding out, okay? If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to number 4, which is to check your jacket pocket. I'm only saying this, I don't really keep my keys in my jacket. I hang them around my belt loop, but my dad literally would lose his keys constantly. Still does. Like I don't live there. I've moved out many years ago, but he still to this day loses his keys whenever I'm older. Whenever I'm older, many years ago, older. That's I guess a Freudian slip. Anyways, whenever I'm over, he's, oh, where's my keys, Mike? Where's my keys? Anyone see my keys? They're always in his jacket pocket. So check your jacket pocket, okay? Love you, Dad. Even though you lose your keys all the time, love you, man. Anyways, number 5, if that doesn't help you and they're not in your jacket, move on to number 5, which is to check the recent bag or purse that you used. I'm a married man with 4 young kids, okay? My wife married with 4 kids. So I've been married for a long time, been around the block in terms of the marriage, like living with my wife and so forth, okay? My wife leaves her keys in her purse all the time. She leaves the house, comes back in, forgot my keys in my purse. Leaves the house, comes back in. And I love you, Kaya. I love my wife with all my heart. But it's just, check your purse, check the most recent bag that you use. Your keys very well might be there. There's a good chance they're going to be there. That's it. That's how to find lost car keys in your house. If you lost them, a simple tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.